What if I told you that AI can now build an app, launch it online, connect a database, secure it with HTTPS, and give you a public URL all by itself? This is exactly what Abacus AI is promising with its brand new AI supercomputer. For roughly $10 a month, users get a cloud environment where AI agents don't just write code, they actually deploy real software. Until now, AI coding tools could generate apps, but humans still had to handle hosting, databases, servers, security, and deployment. Abacus wants to automate that final step. Imagine typing, build me a CRM, minutes later, live website, database running, HTTPS enabled, public URL online, no manual deployment required. The platform includes a cloud, Linux environment, persistent storage, SQL databases, GitHub integration, and one-click deployment. In one incredible demo, an AI agent deployed a full open source AI chatbot completely from scratch. The agent checked server settings, built the backend, configured and Jinx downloaded the model and tested everything until it was fully functional online. For industries like healthcare, law, and finance, this level of control over infrastructure is a total game changer. Instead of sending sensitive customer data through third party APIs, companies can host everything within their own private cloud, maximizing data ownership and security. Abex also showcased an AI building a massive enterprise CRM application. I was not just a basic landing page. It was an active database driven app with customer pipelines, task scheduling, and real-time analytics. The best part, it stays only 24 and 7 as a permanent public server. Next, the AI built a complex 3D browser game using advanced visual effects, shifting dimensions, scoring systems, and mobile controls, moving from a single prompt to a live public URL in under 9 minutes. Finally, it built a fully packaged macOS desktop workspace called Night Owl, complete with a built-in RAG system to chat with your own nodes. This launch proves that the AI race is shifting from who writes the code to who automates the entire development pipeline, while two vCPUs and 8 GB RAM won't replace enterprise dev teams. It gives startups MVPs and independent creator absolute sovereignty to ship software instantly. The next generation of tech giants will be deployed by autonomous AI agents controlled by a single operator. I am Muhammad Faisal Hussaini advisor. Who is like me? I am Hussaini. Labbaik ya Hussain, Salam ya Hussain. Subscribe my channel, bell icon please. Share. Stay away. Wassalam.